Welcome back to Motorize. We are taking a closer look at the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the one of the most sold electric cars in the world. Its powertrain and sleek design to its technology, interior cost and the date of release. We are discussing it all. Let's dive in. Before starting the video, subscribe to the channel because your one subscribe help us to grow. Let's start the video. The 2026 Model Y on the exterior receives a slight update based on the design language of Tesla. In the new Model 3, the headlights are more aerodynamic and sharper, and the bumper has more smooth air channels which are more efficient. The door handles are smooth mounted and the latest designs of alloy wheels offered by Tesla cut back the drag but offer it a sporty and modern look. The tailgates on the rear are also new LEDs, and the performance model has an optional carbon fiber spoiler. The Tesla Model Y 2026 has secured Tesla top of the EV crossover market with a new and improved battery chemistry and range efficiency. Long-range AWD model gives approximately 384 horsepower and may cover to 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, whereas the performance model is more than 450 horsepower and it takes 3.5 seconds to reach the 60 miles per hour pace. New battery cells developed by Tesla have a higher energy density and faster charging. The long-range model will have a range of up to 350 miles, whereby the top speed of supercharging will be 200 miles within 15 minutes. The 2026 Model Y goes to extremes of minimalism inside. Premium sustainable materials and enhanced noise insulation have been used in the cabin to make the ride quicker. The highlight will be a new 15.4-inch landscape touchscreen that is driven by the updated Tesla infotainment system, which has a more user-friendly interface, quicker reaction and complete connection to the Tesla app ecosystem. The steering wheel in 2026 is also touch controlled with an optional head-up display, supposedly available on higher trims. You also receive front seats measuring ventilated ambient lighting and the wireless charging features, the panoramic glass roof, and of course the Tesla signature autopilot and full self-driving features, which is now more polished than ever. The base 2026 Tesla Model Y will have a starting price of approximately $47,000 with the long-range version, and the performance version might go up to $60,000. Tesla is scheduled to start delivering in the middle of 2026 and will keep producing at its Giga Texas factory as well as Giga Berlin factory. And now we have concluded our preview of the 2026 Tesla Model Y, a flawless combination of range, performance and state-of-art technology. What is your opinion? Does Tesla dominate the EV market or it is going to be conquered by the competitors such as Rivian or Hyundai? Leave your ideas in the comment field. To like, subscribe and the notification bell to get notified of the most exciting car reviews every week. Do not forget to get yourself out there on Motorize. Thanks to you and I will have you in the next video.